Are you looking for the key to great eyelash extension retention? Well, look no further with Glad Girl Eyelash Extension Primers. Hi all you lash lovers, today I will be showing you the 3 different types of lash priming options that we here at Glad Girl have to offer. Let's jump on in and take a look at the different primers that you can choose from. First up is our pre-application primer. This primer is amazing as it has such a wonderful smell and it really helps make those lashes stick as best as possible. Here I'm using 2 microfiber brushes and I am just brushing through the lashes. I'm then going through with an air conditioning fan and brushing through the lashes and just drying them off. Next up is our Superhero Sidekick. This is an amazing product as it's a 3-in-1. It's a primer, it also helps the fans stay open, and it also is a sealer. So here again you can see I'm just placing that on the microfiber brushes and brushing through from root to end. And definitely go ahead and take a look at my other video going into depth on the 3 different types of options that you have for this Superhero Sidekick Glue Aid. Next up is our Prime and Wink. Here you can see this is a bit more watery, so I like to actually just put this product on one microfiber brush, and I will use the other brush as a way for me to catch any excess primer that may kind of fall off as I am brushing through the lashes. And just make sure you brush root to end and get them all primed up and ready to go.